become.
NPP will be wiped out here by the BJP.
That too, I think it's not what to say. I cannot give any comment on that because as you know that in politics it is depend on the mandate of the people. So I think what I can understand and from what I've seen, I feel that the people are still trusting us under the able leadership of our honorable chief minister, and I think like everyone cannot deny that the kind of development which is coming in this past few years under the leadership of our chief minister and both the deputy chief minister. So I'm fully confident that people will definitely will be with us and will give us the opportunity to serve them even in the future.
BJP has maintained that 2028 will see the BJP-led government in the state. So, do you see?
I don't know because we have different perspective at it. So definitely for them, I don't know. They have their own way of looking at it. But according to me, I think it's. I won't say it cannot be possible, but it is challenging because especially a state a state as Meghalaya, where we have seen that even right now, even the two members of BJP who are in the assembly, and then even those also they won because of their personal capacity. It's not because of the party. Because in Meghalaya, I have seen that it is not party politics; it is individual politics. So it's depend that what candidate they gonna bring in. So I think that will matter more.
So yeah, yes.